Good morning, class 10. Today is 11th August. I will continue with the chapter Arithmetic Progression, exercise 10th A. Let's do some more question. Question number 14. It says that if the fourth term and 10th term of an AP are 13, fourth term is 13 and 10th term is 25 respectively. Find the first term, second common difference, third 17th term. Now let's do the question. Now we know the formula, general formula, Tn term is A plus n minus 1 multiplied by D. So A is your first term, D is your common difference, n means number of term. So I am writing it again so that it will be revision for you. A means first term, first number, D means common difference, n means number of terms. How many terms are there? Now we'll substitute the value in this. Fourth term is 13. So 13 is this. A is not given to us. First term. N. This is your N. Fourth term. 4 minus 1 into D. So 13 is equal to A plus 4 minus 1 is 3. 3D. So name it as equation number 1. Now 10th term is given 25. So again we will substitute over here. So 10th term is 25 equals to A plus, which term is this? 10. So 10 minus 1 into D. So 25 equals to A plus 9D. So this is your equation number 2. Now we have to solve these two equations simultaneously. So on subtracting equation 1 and equation 2, equation 1 and equation 2 we have to subtract. So 25 equals to A plus 9D, 13 equals to A plus 3D. So when you subtract, on subtracting the sign changes, what happened? 25 minus 13 will be 12, A will be cancelled, 9 minus 9 minus 3 is 60. Therefore, D is equal to 12 by 6. So, D will come out to be 2. D means common difference. Now, we have to find the A. A means first term. So, what we will do it, we will substitute the value of D in equation number 1. So, 13 equals to A plus 3D. So 13 equals to A plus 3 multiplied by 2 on substituting the value of D. So 13 equals to A plus 6. Therefore A is equal to 13 minus 6. A, that is the first term, will come out to be 7. Now in third part we have to find the 17th term. So how will you find out the 17th term? Formula Tn, that is A plus n minus 1 multiplied by D. Now we'll substitute the value. First term is your 7. Number of term, that is 17 minus 1. Common difference is 2. So this will be 7 plus 17 minus 1 is 16 multiplied by 2. Then 7 plus 32, that is your 39. This is your 17th term. Answer of question number 14th. Question number 16th. It says that you have to find the 8th term from the end. Be careful while reading the question. You have to find from the end 8th term. Clear? Where the AP series is given 7, 10, 13 till 184. So this 7 is your first term, first number, that is A. This is your last term. It is generally represented by L or Tn. Now we have to find the common difference D. How will you find out the common difference? Second term minus first term. So we'll substitute the value. What is the second term? 10. This is your second term. What is your first term? 7. So 10 minus 7 is 3. So this is your common difference. A is given to us 7. Last term or Tn term is 184. So first of all, we will find out the number of term. How many terms are there in this question? So what is the formula for Tn term? Tn term equals to A plus n minus 1 into D. So we'll substitute the value. So let's substitute. Tn term is 184. A is 7 plus n we don't know, we have to find. D is 3. So 184 subtract, then bring this 7 on the left hand side, n minus 1 into 3. So when you subtract it, it is 174. So after that it will be 177 equals to 3 n minus 1. Now what you will do? 177 equal to 3n minus 3. 177 plus 3 is equal to 3n. So this will be 180 is equal to 3n. Therefore n is equal to 60. That means how many terms are there? 60 terms are there in the series. Clear? Now what we have to find? From the last, we have to find what is the 8th term. Now see how you will do it. This is 60 term is 184. Then 59th term, 58th term, 57th term, 56th term, 55 term, 54 term, 53 term, 52, so on, first term. Now let's see how to find the 8th term from the end. This is your last term, 60. First, second, from the last, first, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, eighth. This is your 8th term from the last. That means which term you have to find? 53 term. So T 53 we have to find. A plus n minus 1 into D. Now we will substitute the value. A is given how much? 7 plus n is 53 minus 1. D is 3. So 7 plus 52 into 3. Now you will solve it. That will be 156. So 7 plus 156 will be 163. This is your 53rd term or the 8th term from the last. Now question number 18, second part. It is 2018 question. Now let's see what the question says. If k minus 3, 2k plus 1 and 4k plus 3 are 3 consecutive term of an AP. Consecutive means, suppose this is first, second, third. This is the meaning of one after the other. So let's write the series k minus 3, 2k plus 1, then next is 4k plus 3. So these are the terms in AP. So this is your first term A. This is your last term N or Tn. Clear? So this is your first term, this is your last term. So A is equal to k minus 3. Last term or Tn is equal to 4k plus 3. Now what we have to find? We have to find the common difference. So how will you find the common difference? Second term minus first term. So where is your second term? This is your second term. This is your first term. Now we'll substitute the value. 2k plus 1 minus k minus 3. 2k plus 1 minus k, minus will become plus. So this will be k plus 4. This will be your common difference. Now what we have to do, we have to find the value of k. So we will use the formula of Tn term. So Tn is equal to a plus n minus 1 d. Now we only substitute the value and then we will find it out. K. So Tn is, what is Tn? 4k plus 3. And what is A? A is k minus 3 plus n, number of term. Let's see how to find. 1, 2, 3. So what is n? N is equal to 3. So we'll write down 3 minus 1. What is d? D we have just taken it out. That is k plus 4. So this is 4k plus 3 equals to k minus 3 plus 3 minus 1 is 2. 2 multiplied by k plus 4. So 4k plus 3 equals to k minus 3 plus 2k plus 8. So take all the k terms on left hand side. 4k minus k minus 2k equals to 8 minus 3 minus 3. So this will be your 4k minus 3k equals to 8 minus 6. So 4 minus 3 is k, 1k, and 8 minus 6 is 2. So the value of k is coming 2. This is the answer of the question number 18th, second part. Question number 21. It says that the angles of a triangle are in AP and the common difference is given 20 degree. Find the angles. So you know what is triangle? Side figure with the 3 side. So it is having 3 angle. A, B, C are the 3 vertex. Now this is angle A, this is angle B, this is angle C. So what is the property of triangle? That the sum of 3 angles in a triangle is 180 degree. So you have to use the property of a triangle over here. Now let the angle A is x. What is given? What is the common difference between the angle is 20 degree. That means if A is x, what will be B? X plus 20. Clear? So that is x plus 20. And angle C will be x plus 20 plus 20. Now how I am writing this when they are in AP? I have told you first term will be A, then A plus D, then A plus 2D, so on. So this is A plus D, A plus 2D. So now we will put the value of A, B, C angle in this. So what is the property? Angle A plus angle B plus angle C is 180 degree. So angle A, what we have taken? X. Angle B we have taken x plus 20. Angle C we have taken x plus 20 plus 20 will be equal to 180 degree. Now what we have to do? X is 1, 2, 3. So this will be a 3x will be equal to 180 degree. 20 plus 20, 40. 40 plus 20, 60. So minus 60 degree. So you will take it on the right hand side. So 3x will be equal to 120. It will come after subtracting. So x will be equal to 120 over 3. That means x will come out to be 40 degree. And here we have to find the ABC angles. So angle A is x. That means it will come out to be 40 degree. Angle B is x plus 20. It will be 40 plus 20, 60 degree. Now angle C. So it will be x plus 20 plus 20. Now we will substitute and all the angles will be there. 40 plus 20 plus 20. So this will be 40 plus 20, 60. 60 plus 20 is 80. So these are the 3 angles of the triangle of question number 21. Now question number 19. Question 19, this says that find the three terms in AP. We have to find the three term. When the sum of the three term is given 15 and the product of three term is given 80. So for this question, I'll tell you one thing. When they are telling you to take three numbers in AP, so how will you take three numbers or three terms in AP? Will be, first will be A minus D, comma A, third term will be A plus D. This is very important, you should know it, otherwise this question will be difficult for you to do. So three terms in AP, first will be A minus D, second A, and third A plus D. Now what else is given? Sum is 15. So the sum of these three terms is 15. That means A minus D plus A plus A plus D will be equal to 15. So B will be cancelled. It is 3A is equal to 15. Therefore A will be equal to 5. 15 by 3 is 5. Now product is also given to us. Product means like this way. A minus D, A multiply with A plus D is equal to 80. This is given to us. Now what you will do, you will substitute the value of A over here. That means this way you will write down 5 minus D multiplied with 5, then 5 plus D is equal to 80. You will bring this 5 on the right side. So 5 minus D, then 5 plus D will be equal to 80 by 5. So A minus B, A plus B will be equal to A square minus B square. And 80 by 80 by 5 will be 16. So 25 minus D square is equal to 16. Therefore D square will be equal to 25 minus 16. So D square will be equal to 9. D will be equal to plus minus 3. So we will take first of all value of D and substitute over here. So what are the three terms will be? First is A minus D, A plus D. So A is 5 and D is 3. So 5 minus 3, 5, 5 plus 3. That is 2, 5, 8. So this is your answer of 19. But you can take D also minus 3. Then the answer will be 5 minus 3, 5, 5 plus minus 3. So this will be 5 plus 3, 5, 5 minus 2. 8, 5, 2. So at the back only this answer is given. You will write if this one also, you will get the number. So this is the answer of question number 19. Now the exercise is over. I'll tell you a few important things. In the previous question 19, I have told you how to take three terms in AP. If they are saying in the question, you will take A minus D, A plus D. These are the important things. If the question is saying four terms in AP, you have to take four terms. Then how will you take? First will be A minus 3D, comma, A minus D, then A plus D, comma, A plus 3D. So this is the way you will take the four terms. 1, 2, 3, 4. If the question is saying you have to take the five terms in AP, then how will you take? A minus 2D, comma, A minus D, comma, A plus D, A plus 2D. If the question is saying you have to take the sixth term, then how will you take? A minus C. This is for 4. Here it will be 5D. A minus 3D, comma, A minus D, A plus D, A plus 3D, comma, A plus 5D. So this is the way you have to take the term in the AP series. Now, one more thing we will do it, arithmetic mean. If in the question it's saying you have to find the arithmetic mean or you have to use it. Suppose this is a AP series is given to you. A, comma, capital A, comma B. They are in AP. That means they are in AP series and you have to find the arithmetic mean. So this A will be the arithmetic mean of first and third term. So you can write this also, or you can write according to the question where it is needed 2A is equal to A plus B. That means the arithmetic mean or second term will be equal to the ratio of sum of first and third term divided by 2. So this is the arithmetic mean. Now next formula. Sum of n terms of an AP. Suppose this is your AP series given to you and you have to find the sum of n term. Then the formula will be sum of n term equals to n by 2 bracket 2a 2 into first term plus n minus 1 number of term minus 1 multiply by t, that is common difference. So this formula you will be using, or if in the question last term is given to you, then you will use sum of n term equals to n by 2 a plus n. So these are the two formula to find out the sum of the n term of an AP series. Now question number exercise 10th B, question number 1 I will do with you and you will practice the rest question with you, with yourself. 2 plus 7 plus 12 plus 17 till 19th term. You have to find the sum. So what is the formula? Formula is this. Sn is equal to n by 2, 2a plus n minus 1 into d. No. Now what is the term? 19th term. So 19 upon 2. What is the first term? First term is 2 plus how many term? 19. So 19 minus 1. What is the common difference? Common difference second term minus first term. So common difference is 5. Now what you will do? You will solve it. So it will be 19 by 2, 4 plus 18 into 5. Then you will solve it. 19 by 2, 4 plus 90. So this will be 19 by 2 multiply by 94. So you cancel it. This will be 47. And when you multiply it, it will be 893. So this way you will try the question of exercise 10th B.